Hello friends, myself Dr. Mitesh Asnani, practicing at Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Friends, today I want to share, I can say, very good medicine, that is Plumbum Metallica. Yes friends, it is very good drugs, particularly for arteriosclerosis, gastric derangement, as well as paralysis, or I can say paresis. Friends, first of all, I will start with mind. Mind of plumbum metallicum patient is very peculiar. I can say they are very sluggish. Yes, their mind is very sluggish. Even some doctors has mentioned their mind as a torpor. Torpor condition, I can say normally frogs or certain animals go for 6 months for, I can say, relaxation. That is called torpor condition. Second thing, along with torpor condition, they are very, I can say, selfish personalities. They want, I can say, high life. High life, I can say, let me remember one case of high life. One of patient I prescribed plumpum metallicum. He was used to go for, I can say, tour with friends. I can say a mini vacation for 10 days. They were going someplace. There, his friend used to book a ticket for him of a economy class, but patient refused to go by economy class. He used to book his ticket by its own in, I can say, business class, and enjoyed that friends with friends, but he was not ready to go in economy class in plane. This is the mental condition of, I can say, plumpum metallicum patients. Along with sluggishness, they are very selfish. Yes, selfish with self harm. They will not harm others, but they will harm themselves. Yes, friend. These three peculiar symptoms, I can say, sluggish, selfish, and high life they want. Now I am coming to, I can say, gastric symptoms of plumbum metallicum. Yes, in gastric complaints, I can say constipation with abdominal pain. Along with patient used to vomit very sour vomiting. Along with that, sometimes sweetish vomiting also there is mentioned. Likewise, they are having abdominal pain, severe abdominal pain with constipation. Yes, friends, other remedies are, I can say, graphitis, Natsomika, Bryonia, Calimere. Yes, but very specific, I can say, in plumbum it is mentioned that is constipation with abdominal pain. Along with that, I can say they are having peculiar sensation. This anal opening is going inward towards anus, or I can say rectum. Very peculiar symptom, very rarely found in other remedies. Along with that, I can say due to high life, they are prone to develop indigestion, and from indigestion they used to develop hernia. Yes, friends, in hernia, this is very good remedy, plumbum metallicum. Don't forget in hernia, plumbum metallicum. But once you find totality, then and then you should prescribe the plumbum metallicum. Yes, friends, this was a short but can be useful for you to prescribe plumbum metallicum medicine. Friends, if you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.